Happy birthday, Uncle Edwin.
Happy birthday, Auntie Buena.
Happy birthday, Baby Zane.
We love you.
Hi, happy first birthday to cute little one, Shane, and have fun on your birthday and more birthdays to come. And to Uncle Edwin and Auntie Buena, happy birthday to both of you. And I want to wish you a good health and more blessings to come, and may continue to be blessings to others and the source of inspiration to many. And I love you both.
Happy birthday, Zane! Ninang Buena and Ninong Edwin. Zane, panalangin namin na lumaki kang magalang, mabait, at masunurin sa iyong magulang at syempre sa Diyos. No? Gabayan at pagpalain ka ng ating Diyos.
Ninang Buena and Ninong Edwin, patuloy kayong pagkalooban nawa ng kalakasan at pagyamanin ng pag-ibig sa isa't isa sa inyong buong tahanan. Patuloy kayong pagpalain at maging pagpapala din sa marami.
Muli, happy birthday! May the love of the Lord be upon you.
Hello, Baby Zane. Sorry if we're not there on your special occasion because we are busy to school. But I'm praying for you to have a good health. Be kind always to your mom and dad. Lolo and Lola. There, I know Jesus will bless you many birthdays and more fun, Baby Zane. I hope we'll see you soon here in Bicol because I miss you to hug and kiss. So, from my mom and dad, it's me, Ate Maxine. Happy birthday, and I love you so much. Mwah! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Baby Zane.
Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
I miss you, Baby Zane.
I miss you, Baby Zane. Mwah.
Hello! Magandang buhay! Unang-una po sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat sa ating Panginoon sa napakagandang araw na ito. Ngayong araw na ito ay napakahalaga para sa tatlo nating mga mahal sa buhay. Manang Edwin, Manang Buena, at kay Baby Zane. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo at sana ay bigyan kayo ni Lord ng mas marami pang kaarawan na darating sa inyong buhay. Gabayan sana kayo ni Lord at ilayo sa anumang sakit, disgrasya at anumang kapahamakan. Salamat din manong at manang at lagi kayong nandyan na handang tumulong sa amin. Again, happy birthday to all of you and more blessings and birthdays to come. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Auntie Buena and Lolo Edwin, happy birthday!
Hello, Baby Zane. Happy birthday. Ang bilis lang, isang taon ka na agad. Paglaki mo, huwag kang pasaway kila mami at daddy mo, lalong-lalo na kay lolo at lola. Kung ano sasabihin nila, susunod ka lang kasi hindi ka nila tuturuan ng mali. Lahat ng ituturo sa iyo para sa kabutihan mo, para paglaki mo, malayo mararating mo. Happy birthday ulit, Baby Zane. Love you.
Happy birthday, Zane. Wishing you all the best in life, and please continue to spread the cuteness of your smile.
Hi.
To the little guy who's turning 1, may your life be as adventurous and extraordinary as your first year. Happy birthday, Zane!
Hello, Zane. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby Zane. From Kuya Yuta.
Happy birthday, Zane! I hope you grow up to be healthy and along the Lord. Yes, may God bless you also. Stay safe and be a good, obedient boy.
Mommy, your message to Uncle Edwin and Auntie Buena.
Happy birthday, brother and Buena. Happy birthday. God bless you. Kasi masyado kayong mababait. Kaya alam ko, marami kayong blessings na darating.
Oh, why are you crying?
Happy birthday.
Why are you crying?
Yeah, you were the attention of Lola.
Oh,
That's why. Happy birthday. I love you both. Bye.
Daddy, Auntie Buena and Uncle Edwin.
Happy birthday, Brenda. Happy birthday, Edwin. And happy birthday, Zane. And Brenda, thank you for taking care of me.
Tien. Uy, Tin. Oh, you first.
Happy birthday, Ate Buena and Ate Edwin.
And Zane. And Dunka. Wait. What about me? Can you hold? Just hold. Happy birthday, Zane. Happy birthday, Zane. Happy birthday.
You wanna see the candle?
3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, Nina,
Happy
keep
birthday, Zane.
Happy birthday.
Blow.
Happy birthday, Zane. Happy
Ready? Go!
Uncle Edwin. Happy birthday, Auntie Buena. Happy birthday. Oh, the other one. Blow. The other one. Okay, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay. Happy birthday from Chicago.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Have a good day.
Zane.
Zane, happy birthday. Pasensya na, hindi ako makapunta sa birthday mo. Sa susunod na lang. God bless. You have many more birthdays to come and candles to blow. Happy birthday, ulit.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita, Tito, and Jen.
In my first after sa tuhod, ikaw ang pinakamamahal ng pamilya. I wish you good health and the best in life. I hope that God will always guide you as you go. And for Ed, Buena and Edwin, sagiti dumdumwet nga anak ko, kanaayat unay. I also wish you good health and good luck. It is good health that leads us to attain all what we wish in life. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday and good luck.